Let's say you want to convert a repeating decimal to a fraction. It's simple. First, remember your ninths. 1/9 is equal to 0.1 repeating. 2/9 is equal to 0.2 repeating. 3/9, also known as 1/3 if you reduce, is equal to 0.3 repeating, and so on. If the repeating decimal contains 2 repeating numbers, then we're working with 99ths. Here's another example. Don't forget to simplify if the numerator and denominator have a common factor. Can you guess what the denominator of a fraction would be if we were converting a decimal with 3 repeating numbers? You guessed it, it's 999. If a portion of the number does not repeat, it needs to be separated from the repeating part. This can easily be accomplished with subtraction. Both parts of the number must be converted and then recombined to form the final answer. That's it! I hope this video helped you better understand how to convert a repeating decimal to a fraction. Thanks for watching! If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe. If you have any questions or suggestions for another video, let me know in the comments below.